In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot CRM for smooth sales tracking and follow-up. First, head to HubSpot.com and sign up for a free CRM account. The free plan is more than enough to get started. Use your work email if you have one, confirm your account, and you'll land in a guided setup. This creates the foundation you'll build on, so it's worth a minute to do it right. Next, set up your account details. Add your company name, upload a logo to keep your workspace branded, and invite your team members so everyone collaborates in the same place. Assign roles thoughtfully, especially if different people will handle sales, support, or marketing. Bringing your team in early gives you a single source of truth from day one. Now bring your data into HubSpot. You can add contacts manually to get a feel for the system, or import a CSV if you already have a list of customers, leads, or companies. Before importing, clean up duplicates and make sure columns like first name, last name, email, phone, and company match HubSpot's fields. During the import, you'll map each column to a HubSpot property so everything lands where it should. Connect your email next. Choose Gmail or Outlook, follow the secure sign-in prompts, and you're done. Once connected, HubSpot will automatically log emails, track opens and replies, and attach conversations to the right contact records. This saves time and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Use tasks and notes to stay on top of follow-ups. When you speak with a lead, jot quick notes directly on their contact record. Create a task with a due date and reminders so you know exactly when to check back. You can assign tasks to teammates too, which keeps accountability clear. Track communication in each contact record. Calls, emails, and meetings all appear on a single timeline, so anyone on your team can jump in and understand the full history instantly. Pin the most important notes to the top and filter the timeline to focus on what matters right now. Build a few email templates for your common messages and set up email sequences to automate follow-ups. Personalize templates with contact tokens and keep them concise. With sequences, you can schedule a series of emails and task reminders, then let HubSpot handle the timing while you focus on live conversations. Finally, visit your dashboard to monitor sales activity, deal progress, and team performance. Filter by date range or owner, watch key metrics at a glance, and use these insights to prioritize your day. With these steps in place, your CRM becomes a daily command center that helps you work smarter and close more deals.